This review is of Nulo MedalSeries grain-free adult salmon and lentils recipe. This is, I thought when I bought it that this was going to be something that he would really like and it would be pretty good for him. He isn't terribly fond of it, unfortunately. It is an adult cat food, but it doesn't say whether it's for indoor or outdoor or both. There are no grains and soy. The only strange man-made ingredient was pea fiber. The starchy vegetables included whole peas, lentils, and dried sweet potatoes. There was no organ meal or byproduct meal in it. The animals that were used in it, out of 15 ingredients, 5 of them were animal products, and so it seemed like from the ingredients list that it had a medium amount of meat in it. There's a deboned salmon, turkey meal, chicken meal, deboned cod, chicken fat preserved with mixed tocopherols and citric acid, and natural salmon flavor. Now I know you're saying, well, why did you include natural salmon flavor? I said, well, because it's from an animal, so I included it. Were the animals used cage-free, free-range, and stuff like that? Not that I could tell from the packaging or website. Was there any? What kind of all the food was cooked kibble? The crude protein in it was 40%. Crude fat was 20%. Crude fiber was 4%. Moisture was at 10%. Calcium was 1.3%. Phosphorus was 0.9%. There was selenium and zinc in it, but no measurement. Vitamin A was 10,000 international units per kilogram. Vitamin C was 65 milligrams per kilogram. Vitamin E was 300 international units per kilogram. Taurine was 0.2%. Omega-3 was 0.45%. Omega-6 was 3.46%. The total lactic acid microorganisms per CFU per pound was 80 million. The microorganisms used were Bacillus coagulans. Metabolizable calories in kilocalories per kilogram was 3,881. Per cup is 487. And then does it meet? And it does meet the Aaafco cat food nutrients profile. You can find more information about this on their website, and it is ranked number 6. But still, the difference between this and the other cat foods is pretty significant. As far as like the ones that are more popular, there's a between this one and the ones that are less popular than this one, it's not a huge gap until you get down a couple. But once you get one above this one, you're looking at a big gap in how popular or how much my cat liked this food. It was usually his last choice for the ones that I compared it with. So I had somebody mention on their on a different video that I did about solid gold indigo moon, that she had switched her cat to this product and it made his or her poop very, very stinky, so she switched back to solid gold, which my cat definitely likes quite a bit more than Nulo. So I guess I can give this food maybe a 4 out of 10. It's not one I'm going to buy again, though. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.